Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you, did you know that you can add your Calendly meeting to your website? To do that, you want to find the meeting that you want. So for example, I want to add this Drew workshop here. Click the three that's on the right hand side and here you'll find add to website. You click that and you have three options. You have the inline embed, you have the pop-up widget, and you also have the pop-up text. So choose whichever one you want. So I'm going to work with this pop-up widget here, for example. Click on that, then click on continue, and here you'll find the embed code that you need to embed. Here you can also change the colors if you want to, and so you have the instructions here as well, and you just need to copy it once you're ready, and that's it guys. Here it says booking page settings. You can expand that as well, and you can just make changes here. So that's it. You have the widget, the pop-up widget settings, and you also have the booking page setup as well. And that's it. You put this in your website guys, and that's it. If you're not sure how to work with it, then you have the guides right here that you can use. Here it's for Wix, and here it's for Squarespace, and you also have for WordPress, and you have some common questions as well. But that's it guys.